Let me guess, you're sick and tired of chasing clients every single day, and you just want to be able to attract clients who want to work with you and are ideal clients who actually want to put in the work on their end to get results. But if I told you it's possible to get qualified book calls every single day who just ask a couple questions on that said call and then says send the invoice, you wouldn't believe me, right? That's because every guru on earth has told you you need to do cold outreach. They've lied to you. What did they do to get your attention? Exactly. Posted content. They're building their brand and they're profiting off you. Think about that for a second. Take that in. The person you're buying from is getting attention from their brand, but they're telling you to do cold outreach. That makes sense, right? Doesn't it? That just doesn't make any sense to me at all. If you really want to start attracting clients, the only way to do it is by building a brand. And I'm about to walk you through the exact funnel which allows me to attract 6k clients to my offer. And if you don't believe me, look at my other videos. I put social proof in there. I CBA to put it in this video if I'm honest. But if you actually want to be like that, just go check my other videos. I've got loads of social proof in there. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to break it down into 4 simple steps. 1 is getting attention, 2 is building trust, 3 is convincing prospects that your shit is the best shit, and 4 is converting. So first, let's start with attention. Getting attention is so simple nowadays because there's so many ways to get it. And the main one is social media, of course. Short form content in particular is the best way to get attention. Think about it, you can get hundreds of thousands of eyes onto you, your offer and your business from one video. That's obviously the best way. So you need to start posting short form content and getting attention. People forget about their brand. And if your videos aren't quality, people are going to see you as a shit brand and a shit business. So you need to make sure your quality is high on those videos. As well, you need to use this framework and these 5 pillars because it's important to do so, okay? You need to post 70% valuable content. This means giving away everything for free, including your secrets. This means give step-by-step processes, tips and tricks, your unique mechanism, and more. This is just so they get intrigued for more from you. 20% is asking for something in return. This means asking your audience for something in return because of the value you have given to them in the first place. I don't mean just ask for them to book a call, okay? Don't do that. What I mean is ask them to follow you or ask them to comment a keyword so you can send them more value for free. For example, this could be an in-detail training. And last but not least, 10% you need to be trying to go viral. And I'm not saying the other pieces of content aren't going to go viral. They may well do. But we're not focusing on going viral on those, not that 90% of content. These 10% of pieces of content are just going to be controversial, your unpopular opinions, controversial topics and everything like that, okay? This will just get more attention onto you, your offer and your business and build your brand in the meantime. You also need to follow these 5 pillars. You need to get your content messaging dialed in, and this is so if an ideal prospect comes onto your page, they know your content is meant for them and they know they will get some value from you. So make sure you create content around these 5 pillars. Who you serve. This is again so the prospect knows if you help people like them or not. Number 2 is what you do, and this is so the prospect knows what you do. Number 3 is your unique mechanism. This basically means what you do differently to get clients results than your competitors, and then just put a name on it. For example, my way is called the Content Magnify Funnel. Number 4 is clients results, and this is in the name. Speak about your clients results. Speak about the clients results you have been able to get in the past. This will give you way more credibility because you have social proof that your unique mechanism works. And 5 is your expertise. This is basically just giving away value and showing you know your shit. As I said, do this most of the time because the value you give away for free is what you will get in return. Next thing I want to speak about is building trust. And amazing, you now have attention. That's amazing. But you need to realize trust is the number 1 thing you need to sell somebody something. So how do we build that layer of trust beforehand and before they buy from us or hop on a call? This is where you need to lead all of your short form content to your longer form content. So boys and girls, my phone had no storage because I recorded on my phone and it just went out of storage, and I've tried everything to get everything off of it, but you know, so I'm going to finish the video on here. I think I was at convincing them your shit is the best shit. But yeah, you have to lead all of your short form attention to your longer form videos, which build up trust, gives you credibility. And yeah, so you need to post a YouTube video every week or every 2 weeks. And then the next thing is convincing them your shit is the best shit. Now, long form is great to build up trust and make them think you know your shit, but you need something a little bit more to convince them your shit is the best shit, and that your process is the process they need to get from point A to point B, which is their desired outcome. You can do this by leveraging something called a video sales letter. And a video sales letter is basically a video convincing your prospects that your process is the process they need to get from point A to point B, which is their desired outcome. Now, you see a bunch of VSLs on landing page, and you don't even need to do this, okay? That's just to grab people's emails, but you can grab people's emails another way for like a community, a school community, etc. You can just do this on another YouTube video following this script structure. Hook your viewer in with a crazy offer, then explain who it's for, okay? So social proof, back up the hooks, show case studies on screen. Then you're going to make them problem aware, so make them realize they have a problem. Rub salt in the wounds of that problem to make them realize, damn, I need to solve this ASAP. Speak about the system that they're using at the moment that's giving them the problem and why it's outdated. Then position your solution or whatever you sell, your process, whatever, your unique mechanism as the best problem solver for these pain points. And this is why you should know your market very well, because you need to know your market's pain points. And then give more social proof, so one of your clients using this exact process, show them where they were before and where they were after. And then end with a little call to action. So ask them for something, just simply be like, if you're interested in having this implemented for you or holding your hand along the way, book a call or DM me the keyword on Instagram if you're interested. Don't beg, just literally ask them. If they can, they want to. If not, they just get warmed up even more by your other pieces of content that you keep posting. And or you can tell them to join a community or something like that. This will convince your prospect that your shit is the best shit and would lead them to buy from you. But again, if they don't buy from you, we need to go on to converting. Let's just say, for example, people do not convert from that VSL. Literally all you're going to do is retarget them with short form content, with long form content, and of course your Instagram stories. They will get so much value from you until they decide to pull the plug and buy and invest into whatever you sell. All you need to do is give away so much value for free, they get intrigued to see what's within your paid shit. So yeah, guys, that's the whole process on how you are going to grow your business with just organic content. Once you get to a certain amount and you feel like organic content's not doing it for you anymore, you can implement paid ads, but that's another story we can talk about, and what I'll probably be talking about in my community. So if you want to join that, I've just created a school community. It's down below, link in the description. New modules every week and new courses every single month. Okay, every single month, new courses. And also when we get to 25 members, because I've just started it, I'm going to start the live calls every week or every 2 weeks. Haven't decided on yet, probably bi-weekly though. And yeah, we're going to be talking about content creation, content in general, converting content, converting attention, and just everything in general about business, okay? Whole community. If you want to join people who are like-minded, just join, okay? So yeah, if you're interested in joining that, click the link down below. Or if you're interested in having this funnel implemented for you and with you, book a call with the link in the description, or DM me on Instagram, the word magnify. I'll send over some more information. So thanks guys for watching this, really appreciate it. Subscribe, all that other shit, and peace.